Juicing offers several benefits, including increased nutrient intake. Juicing enables you to consume a substantial amount of fruits and vegetables in a single serving. Juice is more digestible than whole foods, which has its advantages for individuals with digestive problems. The high concentration of vitamins and minerals in juice provides a natural energy surge. Also helps boost immune function by supplying essential vitamins and minerals. Certain juices, like those containing turmeric or ginger, possess anti-inflammatory effects. Here are 3 anti-inflammatory juicing recipes you might enjoy. The first recipe is a green Refresh Detox juice. This is a refreshing, nutrient-rich juice blending kale, sweet pineapple, hydrating cucumber, ginger, and lemon, designed to revitalize and detoxify your body with essential vitamins, antioxidants, and hydrating properties. This juice offers health benefits, including potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects from kale's vitamin A, C, and K, and ginger's compounds supporting immune function and reducing oxidative stress. Pineapple provides vitamin C and bromelain, aiding digestion and inflammation reduction, while cucumber contributes hydrating and detoxing support properties. Lemon adds vitamin C and flavonoids, enhancing immune response and antioxidant capacity. This juice may support digestive health, boost immunity, promote hydration, and offer skin and eye health benefits. Our next recipe is a carrot turmeric blend juice. This is a vibrant anti-inflammatory juice combining fresh carrots, crisp apple, tropical pineapple, zesty turmeric, and a hint of black pepper, designed to support and nourish your body with essential vitamins and antioxidants. Carrot Turmeric Blend offers numerous health benefits, including boosted immunity from vitamin C, antioxidants, and has anti-inflammatory effects. The combination of carrots, apples, pineapple, turmeric, and a hint of black pepper provides a rich source of antioxidants, vitamin A and C, fiber, and potassium, potentially protecting against chronic diseases, supporting skin and hair health, and aid in hydration and detoxification. This nutrient-dense juice may also offer gentle energy support and metabolic benefits, making it a nourishing addition to your daily wellness routine. Our last juice is an apple strawberry burst juice recipe. This is a vibrant antioxidant-rich juice blending sweet apples, ripe strawberries, zesty lime, and a handful of leafy greens, boosted with invigorating ginger and fresh orange. Perfect for a refreshing start to your day. Apple Strawberry Burst Juice offers a range of health benefits, including boosted immune function from high vitamin C in apples, strawberries, orange, and lime, supporting collagen production and antioxidant defenses. The leafy greens contribute vitamin K for bone and cardiovascular health, while antioxidants from all ingredients combat oxidative stress, potentially reducing chronic disease risk and promoting skin health. Ginger aids in anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, and the fiber from the apples aids in digestion, making this juice a nourishing component for your daily wellness routine.